This course, Design for a Better World, is based on this book, Design for a Better World. The book and the course presents a unique view of the problems that we have today, a view that focuses primarily upon human behavior and the history of human behavior and the history of how we came to the philosophy that's called modernity. We emphasize that all the new, bright technology was wonderful, changing the world for the better, and everybody wanted new, exciting new things. It was the age of consumerism. It was the age of commodities. It was the age of large companies building across the world. Well, that has led to many advances in our lives, absolutely, but it has also led to many inequities and the destruction of the ecosystem, destruction of the environment. So what can we do about it? In this book, I don't give approaches to every problem. I don't give solutions to all the problems. I talk about the ones that are uniquely fundamental for designers, because at the heart of these problems is human behavior. And design is uniquely qualified to approach these issues because design is the interface between technology and human behavior.